Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you are top of the world. In this video, I'm going to say something important. Yesterday, I'm with my friend, she's a normal friend, and just she told, Lavanya, you're making video. Yeah, I really appreciate you. But what happened? You're not getting view. So you have to make, she suggested to me, you have to make Hindi to English. And then I just said, I don't want to make Hindi to English. Why? I want to learn only English. Why should I learn Hindi? Because I'm good at Hindi. And when it's come to the English, so at that times I'm still lacking. I'm learning this. So it's my point of view. Why I'm uploading video? The reason is, guys, I just want to overcome my fear. I just work come out my comfort zone. So that's the reason. But I would like to tell one thing, guys. If you really want to become a fluent speaker, if you really want to speak with confidence, so you should start mirror practice. Yeah, and then you will definitely get fluency, and then you will speak without any hesitation like me. I'm delivering wonderful speech. Why, guys? Because I already done many times and still I'm giving. It's my compulsion. Like every day making video. Why? Because I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator. So that's the reason. And I would say one thing, if you really want to speak like a pro, so you should start speak with confidence. But how? We are lacking confidence. You are thinking like this, so you have to train your brain and then you will speak like pro. But how? I don't know. Actually, I don't have any surround these kind of things you have. I'm good at Hindi. I'm good at my native. But when it's come to the speaking English, so at that times I think loud. Even my mouth get stuck. I don't know why. This kind of fear we have. So you have to push yourself like it's time to speak without any hesitation. No matter what I'm speaking wrong, no matter what I'm speaking right, just I want to speak with confidence. You have to say, and you have to don't pretend yourself like yes, I'm a good speaker and I really want to become a fluent speaker. You have to know yourself first. You have to face yourself. You know everything about you. You know everything about your friend, but you know everything about you. So you have to accept yourself like yes, I'm lacking this, and it's time to focus my what I'm lacking. And I really want to become a fluent speaker and I really want to speak without any fear. You have to say like this. Yeah, it takes time, guys. Yeah, it takes a lot of time. Still, I'm lacking. And I really want to speak like a pro. And I'm speaking, but still, I'm sometimes I criticize myself like Lavanya, you have 1.5 years, but still you are lacking. It's not good at for you. You have to try something bigger. I said myself every day, and sometimes I scold myself. To be honest, guys, why should I speak wrong, and why should I pretend from you like I'm really good at English? Every day I pull myself and I judge myself like I gave 1.5 year, but still I'm lacking. Like I didn't get good vocabulary words, but I'm trying my best, and sometimes I appreciate a lot. Like yes, Lavanya, you are speaking and you speaking, and simultaneously you are delivering speech for your audience. So that's the biggest achievement for you. I said myself. And if you really want to achieve your fluency and if you really want to speak like a pro, so now it's time to think out of the box, guys. You have to train your brain like, yes, now it's time to speak without any hesitation, without any harassment. Yeah, people judge, people criticize. Let them to judge. Why you like yourself? Because you love yourself. You have to say yourself like, yes, I love myself and I know what I'm lacking and I really want to control myself and I really want to build my personality as soon as possible. I speak without any hesitation. I want to say one thing, quick conversation. Like suppose so, we are just crossing road and suppose we are just see any person and at that time so I just say we know wow he's looking very well. Girls say and boys say like wow she has a good personality. So at that times we just want to talk with him. Just we want to talk with her. But how? Because we are lacking confidence. But we want to talk with him. Yeah. Why? Just because we are really impressed with her personality. That's the reason. And I would suggest one thing, guys. You have to speak. You have to uh, open your camera and then and just you have to speak in front of camera only 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes it's enough for you. I'm not talking about more than that. It's compulsory, yeah. Like 5 minutes when you will speak whatever, like when you will drinking water, so you have to tell like yes I'm drinking water without any but without any hesitation, you have to say like this. Why I'm drinking? Because I'm thirsty and I want to talk with my friends. So when you will talk with your friends, so at that times you are very frankly to talk. But when it's come to the talking strangers, so why you are feeling stuck? Why you have a lot of things to share, but when it's come to the sharing, so at that times you are what he will think, what she will think. I don't know. So stop. I don't want to talk. We say like this. So don't think too much. You just want whatever things you have. You have to say. Don't think about anyone, and then you will become a good speaker. You will become a confident speaker. And what about me? I'm a very confident girl. You know, whenever I go anywhere, even market, even any places and supermarket and whatever friends, like I don't know even they are stranger and I just say like, hello, I'm Lavanya and I'm from Chhattisgarh and they will say like, hey Lavanya, how are you? And I just politely said to him, I'm top of the world. You have to motivate yourself. You have to speak something good thing like when you will go anywhere and someone asks like, hey, how are you, ma'am? So at that times you have yes, I'm absolutely phenomenal. You have to choose something good and then you automatically motivate yourself. So that's called communication and without any fear you will speak very confidently. So all the best by all the learners. And if you really like my videos, so consider to subscribe. We will meet very soon. तब तक के लिए bye and take care. And please subscribe कर दो यार मेरे चैनल को.